Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't judge me. I was not trying to make this a video, but since I'm already here and I have some kind of ideas flowing in my mind, I'm just gonna turn on the camera just in case it comes out good and then I have documentation of it. But yeah, I have applied some primers on, and I'm gonna apply a lip oil in my lips just to have them a little moisturized because they're kind of crooked. I'm gonna put a corrector under my eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Becca one just to, because they're so black in here. And I think I'm gonna lay down my foundation and everything, you guys, since this makeup is probably gonna go over top of my foundation as well. I think I should have it down first, just in case I want to go over the top and bring it to my face or anything like that. So for today's foundation, I'm going to be using this one. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to brush that in there. And I'm going to apply just a little bit more. I love this foundation because it looks so natural. Well, we ain't doing anything natural today, so I'm gonna bring a little bit of Milani right here. I'm going to go ahead and powder with this one from Fenty. This is in the color Butter. I'm going to be using the Pro Primer from LA Girl, and I love this one because it's white and it'll neutralize everything very easily. This could definitely be a look by itself. I'm going to let that primer sit in there, and I'm going to move on to the cheeks, and I'm going to be using this bronzer from Wet n Wild. I'm going to warm her up a little bit more using this Milani Dolce. I'm going to use this powder blush from Jaclyn Hills. Haven't used it that much, so I want to give it a shot in this one. Beautiful, right? I'm going to use this one as well because it's very dimming. This one's from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics as well, and it's the loose highlight. Then I'm going to grab her other highlight. I'm going to dip my brush in here and top it off. Like so, you guys, the skin is ready. I'm going to pick everything, all this, and put it in its place, and I'll be right back with the eyes. Alright, you guys, so I'm back, and I'm going to be using my two favorite ones to be very creative. This is the James Charles, and this one is from Amazon. This is the Exotic Flavors from UCANBE. And as you can see, it's very dramatic, and I love it. It has very beautiful colors in here. I might want to pull another palette. I'm not sure. I don't think I like the yellows in there. This one either, but this one is so pretty as well. But I want the blue that's more than this one's. Maybe this will work. I don't know. So in this look, you guys, I might play with various palettes. So please forgive me, but I'm gonna start with the deepest shade. So I'm gonna start with the darkest blue in this shade. This is a beautiful shade of blue. And this is a big brush, so it helps us finish quickly. And voila, we have the first shade. I'm just trying to give it a little more vibrancy. And I'm gonna bring it. Okay, this is so difficult to explain. So there we have it. Jesus Christ, I love it. Right here in this palette, I have a beautiful shade. It's almost like glitter. I want to use that. It's like a shimmer. Wow, look at this shade. With the finger though, it's beautiful. Now I'm going to bring a yellow. I'm going to swatch James Charles. And I'm going to swatch Color Pop. I think James Charles is a little stronger. With yellow, it's so much difficult. I'm going to try Color Pop. It's a little bit better. Now I'm going to do some lines with a fan brush like this and a black. I'm not trying to be perfect with this one. Just trying to be messy, but I'm just gonna do like if I was pressing in circles, and that's it. And I'm kind of going in a triangle. Now I'm gonna try some Color Pop eyeshadow. This one right here. Like when you're painting in an art class and you have to sponge it in like that. Then now I'm gonna try this color right here. Now I'm gonna do some strokes upwards. Like that. Oh my god. I tell you guys, it's so pretty. Alright, I want a shimmer that will pop right in here. Alright, so I found this glitter from NYX and it has some yellow, green, bluish kind of thing. So I'm gonna try some glitter glue right in there. And then I'm gonna apply some of those. Like that. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks so pretty. I'm kind of going to bring some color in there so it doesn't look colorless, and I'm gonna put a liner and a lash, and we'll see how it looks. So I'm gonna be coating my lashes with the Essence Princess Lash Mascara before I put my false eyelashes, because if not, then they don't look right. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. The lashes are on and the look is complete. I went in with a very nude, kind of glossy, kind of like the trendy lip. And what do you guys think? My goodness, it is kind of busy on my eyes, but I really love the combination of the blues and the sharp lines. I think it looks amazing, and I think I'm ready for photos and pictures. And what do you guys think? Do you guys like this, or do you guys hate it? I think it's pretty cool for pictures and stuff, and I kind of live for it. What do you guys think? I will definitely take some pictures and load it up to my website. And if you haven't seen my website, I'll link it down below. I have pictures of many of my looks in there. I have also created these pictures that are kind of more unrealistic, and you can go ahead and go there and see that if you would like to. And until the next video, you guys, bye bye.
Now you try to hide, but I see how you think of me when you're asleep. How you keep wanting to do what we could